What's up guys, welcome back to Salah's show, and today we got a new guest, which is Susu, and we're gonna open up these toys. We're making this video especially for the kids to watch, and let them subscribe. Let you guys share, subscribe, comment below, and thumbs up. We're gonna open up all this candy and you got toys with them together.
And then we all egg and eat it.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it. So which one do you want to open first?
This one.
Okay, let's open it up.
I'll open it.
You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Here, look at it. Let's see what we got in here. It's a Halloween candy. See, look, it's Halloween. Oh, the Halloween one?
That's the Halloween candy.
Yeah, Halloween candy.
And all the eggs.
And then we got eggs.
And you can eat all the candy and eggs.
Oh, wow, look.
Oh, wow.
You want to taste it? Taste it, see what it tastes like.
Open it.
Oh, you have something in here? Let's see what's inside. Oh, well, it has cream. You want to try?
I want to try.
Yeah, I'm going to try too. Let's try it. It's Oreos.
Let's see what's inside of it.
It's delicious.
And delicious.
Show what's
yummy.
inside of it.
Yummy.
Show them, Susu. Now, let's hide it.
Yeah.
And let's try another one. Which one do you want to open? Now we're gonna open the next one. Which one do you want to open now, Susu?
This.
This one? Shake it. See what you can hear from it. Oh, wow, what's in there? What do you think is in there?
Let's see.
Oh, let's see. Let's see what's in here. But look at it. It's a ghost. Look.
Let's see. Open this.
You want to open it? What do you think is in there? Is it a toy? A candy?
Like a toy.
A toy? Let's see. We're gonna see what's in this Halloween toy. Sweet tarts. Let's open it. Oh, it's kind of hard to open.
No, you do this.
Oh, okay. Wait, let me see.
And you big one, and do this.
Now we're getting ready to open it so Susu can see what's inside of it. So I'm opening it a little bit for you. Now you're gonna open it to see what's inside.
And all the eggs.
Yeah, no, hey, here, open it. Let me see it. If you know how, oh, it's kind of hard to open. See if you can open it.
No, you do this, see?
Oh yeah. Let me see it, but this has to open. Oh look here, open it.
Wow, look.
What? What's in there?
Candy.
Oh, show them. Show them what candy they have. No, here. Yeah, open it. Show them. Show them what you got. Show them what you got.
Candy.
Oh yeah, nice. Good, let me see.
See?
Oh, that's nice. What color are they? What do you got?
Color.
Yeah, what? Blue? There's red.
Pink. Purple. Green.
Oh, nice. That's nice. Oh, well, you want to try it? Let's try it.
Let's try it. It's delicious.
Yeah, it is delicious.
And load it in. And load it. And load it.
Oh yeah, clothes that you can have as a toy. Here, here's one. Here's one. Let me try. Mmm, delicious. What it tastes like?
Then almond.
Oh yeah, it's sour.
The sour.
Oh yeah, and what else? Is it sweet?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got some sweet in there. Yeah.
Let's see. Open this egg. Open.
Okay, open it up.
This is the side. This is pink. Wow, this is chocolate.
Oh wow, it's a chocolate egg. Here, open it. See what's inside of there.
Okay.
Well, what's this picture? Look at the picture. Show them the picture. What is this?
This beer.
Oh yeah, beer. Show them the beer.
Look.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, open it up.
Open it. This
Oh,
wow.
it's a chocolate egg.
This is chocolate. Wow. Look aside. Wow.
Oh, what's inside?
Eggs. Wow. Well, why did it not comment? It's coming.
Okay. Oh wow. Now you want to open the egg? See what's in here?
Yes.
Here, open it up. See what's in here. You might find something. Let's see what you're gonna find.
What do you think it is?
What do you think is inside?
A toy.
A toy? Oh wow. What kind of toy?
The shooter.
Oh, okay.
Open it. See.
Here, let's open it together. Let me see.
Wow.
Oh wow. What's this? Show them what this is. Hey you.
It's this all of this?
Oh, it looks like you put on your hand.
Look.
This? Show them what's on your hand, the birds.
Look, see?
Wow.
And show them this also, what can come in the toy.
Is that penis and fur?
Wow.
Oh, wow. Tell them what does the toy do? Show them.
This time, this
What color is it?
What color?
white, orange.
No.
Oh yeah, the birds.
Let me see the birds.
Look at the birds. They're white, orange, and what else?
Let me see.
Show them the birds.
Let me see. Where is it?
No,
Can I see it? Wow. White,
oh,
orange.
nice. And
Look.
black.
Wow,
Okay,
cool.
let's open the next toy.
Let's
Alright.
open this and this.
That's my favorite.
Wow. And open one egg.
Okay, we're gonna open the last egg. Show them what you have. What's the picture on it? You got what's that? Spiderman. Look here.
Candies.
Oh yeah, candies, and look over here. Spiderman.
Spiderman. Then let's open it. See.
Oh yeah, let's open it. Shake it.
Take it.
Oh wow. Look.
Oh. And one egg and this. Let's open it.
Oh yeah, let's open it. No.
Let's open it. See. I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, look. Oh,
Oh
wow.
wow.
This is lovely. Look.
Oh yeah. Show them what you see.
Gotcha.
What's inside?
Let me see.
Superman.
Don't shake it. Let me see. Wow, candy.
Yeah.
What color?
All three colors.
All of it? All of colors?
Yeah.
Wow. Open it.
Okay.
Wow.
This, look.
Oh
Wow.
wow, there's candy. Oh, what's in there? Do you have something else?
Something else. Let's open it. Look.
Wow, this
Oh,
is candy.
what's that?
Oh,
Let's open it.
What's this?
See.
Oh, open
let's open it and see.
Wow. Look. That's Superman.
Superman.
Yeah.
it. Oh wow, what's this?
Look. Wow.
Oh wow, show them too.
Look.
What's it?
Candy.
Alright, let's eat the candy.
What was the toy?
And it was a eraser.
Let's see. Wow, eraser.
Oh, you want the candy?
Yeah, let's try it.
Oh, try it. See if it's good. It's
Is
yummy?
it good?
Try it.
What does it taste like?
Let the camera try it.
Look.
What it tastes like?
And
Give one.
you want to taste? Oh.
Oh, that's okay.
Look.
Give one to the camera.
The chocolate.
Oh wow, it's chocolate. Oh nice.
Alright, say bye.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Say subscribe.
Bye.
No,
Subscribe.
Huh?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, say thumbs up.
Comment below.
And comment below.
Good job.